Hello class 5. Here I am back with your English language class. I hope that you all are doing well and whatever I have taught to you in the previous classes you have understood and you have done in the book itself. You have completed the task that I have given. And we know that we were doing collective nouns, isn't it? And chapter 3. And today we will do exercise number I of chapter 3 and page number is 1313. Okay children, all of you take out your book. This is your basic English grammar book. Open your book at page number 13. 1313. Okay, we will do the fill-ups using the collective noun. So let us read what we have to do. Fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns from the box. So here we have to fill up this blanks choosing the suitable collective nouns from the box. In the box you will find few collective nouns are given and 10 sentences are given. You have to choose the correct suitable collective nouns from the box and complete the sentences. Clear? So see children, let us start. I hope you have taken a pencil in your hand. Yes. See, number 1. The carpenter came with his dash of tools. So when we take tools to work, we need some tools to work. A carpenter needs tools, hammers, axes, so many things he needs, isn't it? So then this collection of tools together is known as what? So from the box we will choose, say, hard, class, set, fleet, soul, trim, crowd, team, colony, pack, flock. So all these collective nouns are given. Now we have to choose the correct one from here. The carpenter came with his dash of tools. So here it will be set. Okay, number 1 will be set. Set of tools. Okay. Then number 2, it is a dash of 11 players. Then what it will be? When a collection of players are known as, collection of players is known as what? Collective noun for collection of players. We know that team. We have a team. T-E-A-M. Collection of players are known as team. Now, number 3. The farmer takes his dash of cattle near the river. Dash of cattle. This means herd of cattle. You all know this, isn't it? Herd of cattle. Then number 4. She is teaching a dash of students. So, students means a class of students. So, class. C-L-A-S-S. Class of students. Then number 5. There is a dash of cars on the road. Collection of car is known as, yes, fleet. So F-L-E-E-T. Fleet, number 5. Then number 6. Do not go near the dash of ants. Do not go near the dash of ants means colony. So number 6 will be C-O-L-O-N-Y. Colony. Colony of ants. Then number 7. My uncle has gone to buy a dash of paper. Buy a ring. Collection of papers together. So ring. R-E-A-M. Ring. Okay. Then number 8. Number 8. A large dash of men and women. Man, woman and children block the road. Then it will be definitely crowd. C-R-O-W-D. Crowd. Then number 9. Today the fishermen have found a big dash of fish. Fish, collection of fish together is called a shoal. S-H-O-A-L. Okay, shoal of fish. Then number 10. Here you will find two blanks. I think yes. 10. A dash of wolves attack the dash of sheep. Then a pack. Isn't it? For 10, first one will be pack of wolves. Then attack the dash of sheep. Then flock. Flock. Flock of sheep. Okay. So all these are the collective nouns used for the collection of papers, then collection of students together, collection of paper, collection of fish, collection of sheep, etc. So children, it is very important that you have to learn all this properly for collective noun. Okay. Then only you can write them properly, and then you'll know what is the use, how to use them in a sentence. When you will frame sentences, then at that time if you make use of this collective nouns in your own sentences, the sentence will look very beautiful. Okay, so when you want to present something in a very nice way, so you can make use of the collective nouns in your own sentences. Okay, so this is, we have completed exercise number I of this chapter. Okay, now we will move to the next kind of noun, that is I think you have done this one. So in the next class we'll start with material noun. Okay, we'll start with material noun in the next class. Material noun. So all these days we have completed proper noun, common noun, collective noun. Now we will do material noun in the next class. So please all of you go through this. Okay, go through this before I take the class, so that it will be easier for you to understand. So please do whatever we have done in the CW copy and send it for correction. Okay, write the name of the subject teacher always. Okay, thank you.